Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Well, summer's gone, we're through the molt, pretty much through the molt anyway, and breeding season's going to be here soon. It's probably been at least 6-7 months since I've done a proper video on the pigeons. We'll try and get some out, but just struggling for time and everything else. But just a really short one today. These are just some stock pigeons. Just managed to build this aviary, put this on side of the stock loft. As you can see, we're well into autumn now, leaves everywhere. But yeah, these are some of the stock cocks. Just enjoying a bit of fresh air in the stock aviary. Biggest majority of these are new birds that we've brought in. But we'll go through, in another video, we'll go through some of the birds, we'll have a look at them, and I'll talk you through the race season, how it went as well. I know it has been a while since we've done a video, and try and get caught up, but just a short one today. So there you go, a few of the stock cocks there, just enjoying a bit of fresh air. Mealy cock there. So yeah, like I said, that's it for today guys. I will do a longer one and we'll go through a few bits and pieces, but that's it today. Hope you're all well, take care, bye bye.